Introducing Cognintent AI Knowledgebase, the smart way to build an AI-powered FAQ system for your Shopify store. You can securely configure your AI API key and adjust how FAQs are generated for your store. The AI-powered FAQ generator analyzes your store content and automatically creates frequently asked questions. Store admins can easily edit AI-generated FAQs to refine the content, then approve them to publish on the store. If a question isn't relevant, it can simply be rejected, or you can regenerate it with AI to create a better version. This ensures your FAQ section always stays accurate, useful. Store admins can add or edit FAQs manually and manage everything from one centralized panel. This gives you complete control over your store's knowledge base. A floating FAQ widget can also be enabled directly on your storefront. The widget automatically detects the page your visitor is viewing and displays the most relevant FAQ answers, helping customers find quick solutions without interrupting their browsing experience. Along with FAQs, the app also includes an AI chatbot widget. Visitors can ask questions directly through the chat, and the AI instantly provides answers based on your store's content. This helps customers find information faster while reducing repetitive support questions. The app also includes 5 beautiful FAQ templates. You can customize colors, backgrounds, and design styles to match your store's branding. This ensures your FAQ section looks professional and consistent with your website. What happens if a visitor asks a question that the AI cannot answer right away? With Cognintent AI, those unanswered questions are automatically saved for the store admin. Admins can later review these visitor questions directly from the dashboard and add the correct answers manually. This not only helps improve the FAQ database but also ensures that important customer questions are never missed. With AI-powered FAQ generation, smart visitor question tracking, customizable templates, and an intelligent knowledge base. Start building a smarter FAQ system today with Cognintent AI Knowledgebase.